Performance in Lighting is an Italian international brand of lighting specialized in outdoor, indoor lighting for residential use, for office and retail, and for big area, industrial street lighting, outdoor lighting, all the items concerning the technical product. We have the goal to approach the architect. Archmarathon is a fantastic situation where we can meet a lot of people. We are very satisfied of this situation, and we propose our approach with technical product that can satisfy the need of the architect. And we are very happy to stay here in these days. Thanks a lot to Archmarathon.